Greetings everybody, I've returned to Universal Studios Hollywood. I only have a few minutes left before the lower lot closes, so let's see how much stuff we can get done. Let's roll that intro. Because time is short, we just have to make sure to ride at least one attraction, Jurassic World, the ride. Oh my goodness, it says a posted wait time of 25 minutes. However, we're gonna use Express, so it will be basically nothing. Right now we're filming around the time that Halloween Horror Nights is happening, so this attraction and everything else will close on at 5:30. The real caveat is the escalators apparently close at 5:15. So, here we go, wish me luck. Here's the situation. I'm in the 4th row on the far right side, so this could be bad. But here we go. The terror begins anew, and we're looking for Alex. Alex! Actually, I knew that. I know Alex. We're gonna know really soon if this is bad. Okay, here we go. Brace ourselves. Racing. Racing. Get a little bit on the old arm there. See, this Mosasaurus seems smaller. Look at the jaw compared to the one we're about to see. Yeah. This is actually where they load in the other Mosasauruses. Yeah. Mosasauri? I don't know. Sorry. It's not hungry Mosasaurus. You see, look how big that jaw is. It's massive. What I really want, dream situation, is they have one that comes out of the water, like a little bit, rocks the boat. How amazing would that be? That'd be terrifying. It'd be like Jaws, like part 2. I guess they have multiple parts of Jaws. I love the cave sequence. I feel like I want it to be its own ride. Like, look at that. Isn't that pretty? So good. Baby Sago. There, it's up there. There you go. Get a little moisturizer on there. I mean water. Oh. I just want to hug her. Hello, Mama. I love you. Oh, feeling the mist. Oh dear. Let's see if anybody jumps. Okay. Here's our old friend. Hi, buddy. Yeah, stop being such a snot. Come on, hey, listen to me. Go down. Oh, no. I told you to go down. There you go. It's not listening today at all. So it sounds like some of Sparky's brothers and sisters, well, I guess sisters are still in there. Sparky should be a she. All these dinosaurs should be. I don't know if I can trust that. There's something in here too. What? We don't know. The Dominus is clearly not in there anymore. I want to see Indominus. Oh, there she is. Indominus, hi! I know I'm so far away from you. Oh, I miss you too. I'll see you upstairs, okay? Yeah, this is gonna be fun. Here comes Sparky! This might get really bad really quick. Sparky! Sparky, I love you, Sparky! Okay, here comes the water. I'm gonna try to lean in a little bit. Lean in a little bit. Here we go. Here we go. It's rough. It's rough. Pretty rough. Oh, okay. I got hit pretty hard. The Dilo, I barely even feel it. I barely even feel it. Oh my goodness. Tell me the Indominus is here though. Please Indominus. I just want to smooch. Okay, bye Indominus. Still blue, nowhere to be found right now. Oh, I think they cut her audio too. Interesting. There's Indominus. Blue should be right there. Huh. Here we go. There she is. That's my girl. Alright. I see that Tyrannosaurus, then I'm gonna hide the camera. Oh, she's so amazing. Sorry, I gotta go. Got a little wreck. Like you do it. Hold to the right side. After action damage report, I got hit right here on the right shoulder and then down here on the leg. So, not so bad, all things considered. I like to dry off though, and I think the sands of Egypt might be able to help out with that. I hope so. I'd love to bring you guys on Revenge of the Mummy, but unfortunately they won't let me, so I'm gonna go say hi to Imhotep, see how he's doing, maybe he can help me dry off a smidge, and then we'll talk about it after. Heading now up to the upper lots. Ugh, and I love this. Big old T-Rex skeleton. Or fossil? Yeah, I don't know. You guys know what I'm talking about. Looks so good. Also, as we ride, I got to see my buddy Riley. Shout out to Riley down at Revenge of the Mummy. One of my favorite, absolute favorite team members here at Universal. He's fantastic. If you're ever on that attraction, you see Riley, tell him Jimmy says hi. But yeah, got on Mummy. Always a good time. I actually met a guy who's in the front row with me. This is his 8th time riding today. 8 times in a row. I was like, hey, good on you. 8 times is pretty good. Reminds me a little bit of Professor Andrew and doing 30 times on Splash Mountain. It's intense. Both of those are intense. The people are flooding in for Halloween Horror Nights, and it sounds like if you get here before 6 o'clock and you want to get a head start on the houses, going down to the lower lot might be the way to do it. I was just hearing the team members talk to some of the guests about that. So if you're coming to Halloween Horror Nights, maybe consider starting the lower lot. Maybe that's where all of them are. I don't know. I'm new to this. All right. But yeah, that might be a good place to start. Or maybe start down there, kind of like lower lot when you rope drop. It's going to be less people down there, and then come back up here later. I don't know. Just a thought. Just a strategy. Cannot confirm. Popped into one of the stores on the way out here, Universal Studios, and I wanted to show off some of the merchandise I don't normally. I really like that. Reminds me of my buddy Theme Park History. He's so good. But yeah, they have a lot of good stuff in here, and there are a lot of shops throughout Universal, but this has some of the more classic stuff, plus the classic monsters themselves, if that's what you're looking to get. Wolfman's the best one, by the way. We even have the glasses for it, too. It looks like they're all on it. It seems like, or at least the big 3. Mummy, Wolfman, and Dracula. It's pretty good. They also have a cool shirt down here, too. I do like that shirt a lot. Got the kind of Anubis thing going on. I dig it. Also, I know I've got some Fast and Furious fans out there looking at a supercharged shirt. It's right there. It's right in the store. You can buy it. If you want to be part of the family, this is how you do it. You buy yourself a toothpick holder and a big jacket. I kind of want to buy this jacket and then wear it on the tram tour and be like, yes, I'm here. Toretto, what is this? This looks like something they did up in here. No, it's not on this side. What is this? X marks the spot. I found treasure. And even though Revenge of the Mummy took its place, there's plenty of ET stuff up here to get if you still want it. You know, I'll be right here. Yeah. ET. Scary or heartwarming? Maybe both. Depends on who you ask, but you could always get them a hat, whoever that person is, because if they don't like ET, they won't see it because they'll be wearing it. That's the trick with these things. When you buy this stuff, you don't see it because you're wearing it. By the way, I love this chunky great white they have here. I like that. It's so good. As you can sort of see with the fence over here, they're trying to kind of get 2 lines going. All the people coming in for Horror Nights and everybody else leaving. So if you want to come to Halloween Horror Nights, or you're watching this in the future, I still recommend trying to get here beforehand if you have a pass. Some people might not have a pass and they just have it for the nights thing. But I think you can still get in a little early too. Check in on that. See when you can get in so that way you don't have to deal with all of this. Also looks like if you hadn't checked in earlier, this is the entrance to Halloween Horror Nights. Once you're in the park and they have to kind of loop back around or something, get the wristband. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm trying to learn all this stuff before actually coming to Halloween Horror Nights so I can be ahead of the game, as it were. Another interesting thing of note as I'm walking out here, typically when they're not doing Halloween Horror Nights, they will, or at the end of the night, they will open this up and you can just walk straight back through. But because there's still so many people coming through, they're keeping the regular checkpoint. Sometimes the other checkpoint changes where there's only like 1 or 2 metal detectors over there because they don't have as many people coming in. It's very fascinating to me to see how all of this works. I hope it's fascinating for you guys too. Well everyone, I promised a shorter vlog and I meant it. Oh my gosh, that Harry Potter music is so good. Either way, thank you so much for hanging out today. I do appreciate it so much. You guys have been blowing up the videos with the likes and the comments and stuff, so I appreciate that. You can continue to do that if you want, but just know that I'm here to entertain you, and I hope you are. So please let me know down in the comments if that's the case. And also a huge thank you to our patrons. You guys have been so wonderful. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. And until next time, just remember to adapt and overcome. Bye-bye. Your patience has been rewarded with a bonus bit. Yes, look at all these people still flooding in for Horror Nights. One of my tips for anyone coming here is if you want, especially at the end of the day, You hang to the sides, typically the right side on your way back to the parking or whatnot if you're going this way down City Walk. It's kind of like a river. Typically gonna go faster than in the center. People are like water because we're made mostly of water. That's just how it works. But yeah, oh my gosh. I knew Horror Nights was popular, but I didn't know how popular. And inside tip is this, La Lorna, the hotel, and the Scarecrow ones are the best ones, maybe? I'm not sure. I basically just want to see a couple. Mostly the one where it's like Dracula and Wolfman and the Mummy, maybe it's all three of them come together or something, or Frankenstein's monster, something like that. I don't know. So I just try to sneak on through, and I'm seeing a ton of Hellfire Club shirts from Stranger Things. So well done, Stranger Things, for getting back into the cultural zeitgeist of pop culture. Very impressive. Very impressive. Oh my goodness. Oh, by the way, I went to Popcornopolis with my mom recently, and it was pretty good. She loves popcorn. I was like, I'm not going there without her. One of these days, I'm gonna start just going through each and every store here, just to show you guys. I'll be like, I know every single store at City Walk, every single store. Also, just appreciation post of the like cool framework up there. Every time I see it, I think it's so neat. And there's also a dragon up there. Why is he up there? I don't know. One day I'll find out. Okay, this time it's really goodbye, everybody. See you next time. Bye-bye.